Additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, has emerged as a transformative technology in space exploration. Its potential lies in revolutionizing how space missions are conducted, offering solutions to various challenges associated with traditional manufacturing methods. In space exploration, this technology enables on-demand manufacturing of parts and tools, reducing the need for intensive pre-mission planning and stocking of spare parts. 3D printing allows the creation of highly customized components tailored to specific missions requirements, leading to improved performance and efficiency. Traditional manufacturing requires transporting spare parts and tools, adding to the mass and volume of missions. Additive manufacturing reduces this burden by producing parts on site as needed, saving space and resources. While the initial investment in 3D printing technology may be significant, the ability to produce parts on demand can ultimately lower the overall cost of space missions by minimizing the need for extensive inventory and logistics. 3D printing is used to manufacture various spacecraft components, including brackets, mount, and even structural elements. For example, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has utilized additive manufacturing to produce components for Mars rovers. The ability to manufacture replacement parts on science is particularly variable for long-duration missions where equipment may experience wear and tear over time. Various space agencies, including NASA, European Space Agency, and private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Made in Space, are actively exploring the applications of additive manufacturing in space. Additive manufacturing holds great promise for advancing space exploration by offering an on-demand manufacturing capabilities, customization, and cost effectiveness. Continued research and innovation in this field are essential to fully exploit the benefits of 3D printing in space missions. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more updates.